In this video, I'm going to give you a busy review focused on non-US residents. So if you don't live in the US, but you're planning to open an LLC or C Corp, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you the process, the pros and cons, so you know better if Bizee is the right choice for you. So with that being said, let's just get into it right here. So let's first talk about what Bizee is. So Bizee is one of the leading formation services in the US. So if you need to open an LLC, a C Corp, or other types of businesses, Bizee is one of the biggest players there. But the big question is Bizee also the right choice for you as a non-US resident? And that's what we're going to cover and where my focus is going to be in this video, because there's some companies that is more specialized in foreign entrepreneurs that want to do business in the US, where Bizee is more focused on the broader audience. So a lot of the companies that is open on Bizee is just by people that live in the US that want to do business in the US and not foreigners. So that's where it's a little different from some other companies basically. But the good news is that you can easily own a business with Bizee even though you're not based in the US. It's not because they only serve people in the US, just so you know that now, but we're gonna get more into details with that later in this video. So now let's just go to the website and have a look at the pricing, the different features, what's included, what's important for you to know. So when we get here, first it says start your business with confidence, launch your LLC in minutes. So then first it's gonna ask what kind of entity. It's gonna be LLC, a S Corp, a C Corp, a non-profit, and then also what state to choose. And I made other videos where I talk about the different company forms and also the different states, so I'm not going to get too much into detail in this video, but very short version is that if you don't live in the US and you want to open an LLC, well then you should open it in Wyoming. That's my recommendation. It's very low cost, easy on the compliance, and many other things like that. I talk more about that in other videos. If you want to open a C Corp, then I would recommend you to choose Delaware, because that's like the place to be for C Corp if you need to raise money and things like that. But again, I talk a lot more about this in other videos. Also, I talk about why to choose LLC or C Corp, so check those videos out. I also have some links in the description so you can check that out to those specific videos. But basically, this is what you first see. You can choose these things here. You can also see they've existed since 2004. They have more than 1 million subscribers that have used their service. And then there's a lot more information here down on the website where you can read more about it. But basically, let's just use the example here with an LLC based in Wyoming. So we take LLC, and then we take Wyoming, and then we say start my business. Here, so there's 3 different solutions. There's one for $0, one for $199, one for $299, plus the state filing. So you can see under, because I chose Wyoming, it says $104. And basically what I would recommend is to choose the one that's called the standard. The basic one doesn't really make sense. And the reason for that is because if you see down here, it says federal tax ID EIN is not included. You could decide to create the basic one and then pay separately for the EIN also, or you can also go and get the EIN number yourself, but really it's just a headache. And I think you have a great setup here for $199, because you can see here you get the file, like the registration of the company, and you get the registered agent, you get the virtual address, you get the EIN number that we talked about, operating agreement, and then also some other things. The premium you could also choose if you want these extra things, if you want it expedited fast and all that stuff. But basically I would say the standard is like a good option for the majority basically. You can see here on the right side is $303 basically. So that's the cost you should expect for opening your LLC in Wyoming as an example. If I would go back, change the state, change the company form, then the price will change a little bit. Maybe it will be a little less, maybe it will be $400, maybe it will be $500. It all depends on the state you choose. But basically this is the process, and the good thing, and where I think Bizee is a little different from many of its competitors, is that this is a one-time fee. Many of the companies have like a kind of a subscription for this. So I think it's really nice to see here that they're very transparent with this. I like that, because you know some companies are not always that transparent with these things. So that's a really great thing. You just pay this and then you have your business.
What's up guys, hope you're enjoying this video. Right now I'm just taking a hike, taking a break from editing this video. I hope you're enjoying it. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. That will help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and let's continue with this video.
Of course, there will be some additional cost, annual cost and all that. As an example, if you choose Wyoming, you have an annual fee of $60 that you need to pay to Wyoming. And then also you probably need the virtual address, and you also need the registered agent on year 2. So there will also be some extra fees. But again, we're talking here maybe $29 for that, $60 for the annual fee to Wyoming. So it's really not that much you should expect. And then one thing that I'm just going to show you here that I think is a really great solution and totally worth it is that you can choose this compliance package that is $99 a year. So then with that, you're gonna stay compliant. I think it's an amazing price, really, like it's so affordable. This way you're not gonna run into problems with, you know, penalties and fees. They're gonna help you with this. So it's like an amazing deal, and you're not gonna worry about problems when you have this solution. So I think it's totally worth it. And again, $99 is like peanuts, really, I think, for this. So that's something I think is a really great product they have, and I think almost unbeatable on price and service. So let me give you a quick peek of how it looks inside the dashboard. So let's imagine you go through the process, you know, you pay the $303. Well, then it will look like this. So then basically you have like a good overview here. You have your different documents. And again, as I said, you can sign up and pay for this compliance thing. You can pay for many other services if that's what you want. But it's a good basic setup, I think. And many other features that is different, upsell, things you don't need. But the more important thing that you need to know of is that you have your different formation documents. You have some deadlines here for the compliance and all. And that's pretty much what you need to know and care about for your business. But I think it's a good, straightforward setup they have, and perfect whether you are based in the US or as a foreigner that want to do business in the US. So that's how it looks inside. And I guess the reason why you're watching this video is because you're wondering, should I choose Bizee, should I choose Doola, should I choose Send Business, should I choose Taylor Brands, or one of the many players that is out there. And of course there is pros and cons with all of these companies. I would personally say that Bizee and Doola is the two best options out there. So as we talk about here with Bizee, it's a great option. Like, they have existed for a long time, super affordable, transparent. They have compliance solutions. They can easily work with you even though you're not based in the US and you want to do all of it from abroad. There's no problem whatsoever. It's just not their main focus. On the other hand, you have Doola, that is a much smaller company, but that is more catered foreign entrepreneurs that want to do business in the US. So it is maybe they have a little more understanding and a setup more catered you as a foreign entrepreneur. But in the end, it's not because it's going to have a major impact, I would say. And both companies have great reviews on Trustpilot. You can check out here, you know, both of them have, what is it, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, you know, like most of the reviews are really good. So it really comes down to your needs, what you feel comfortable with. The price point is more or less the same. Again, great reviews, good solid solutions, so you can't go wrong with any of them. And if you want to know more about Doola, I made many videos also about Doola, so you can check that out if you want to know both review and their step-by-step tutorials and the dashboard and all of that and the expected fees. So I think this covers it for this video, but to answer the initial question, is Bizee worth it for non-US residents? 100% yes. It's a great solution, you can't go wrong. So my recommendation from here, and again, I have links in the description, so you can sign up today if you want to use Bizee for opening your new business. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. It'll help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.